Welcome, in front of me is an Honor Magic7 Lite, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. So, to get started you'll need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it you could use a paperclip, straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. Next you want to pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the device right over here. Pushing the pin in, you will see that the tray pops out enough for you to be able to pull it out, and showing it once more from the side. On the tray you have space for 2 SIM cards. There we go. And then you can pop it back into the device. Now make sure that the card is clipped into place correctly. It should be all the way in and shouldn't be falling out if you flip it over. Once you insert it, the card will start working right away, prompting you to insert SIM card pin if you have one set. And once you do so, it will unlock the device or SIM card and connect to network. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.